small pocket screwdriver. I'm going to go into this little notch right here, pry out gently. And come around the other side here and pry that side. There's basically two little spring clips here holding the bulb into this. We're simply going to twist, pop this out. And put your bulb into the back here. Twist in until it locks. When you line this up, make sure that the clear lens is facing the license plate area. Line this up into the bumper. Simply press it in until it locks into place.